Hey, what's up guys, Mark from SANDMARC here, and today we're going to talk about the iPhone and our telephoto lens attachment. Now if you're familiar with our telephoto lens, you already know how great it is. It offers double the zoom while maintaining image sharpness and quality and adding a little bit of depth of field, giving you a more professional looking image. In addition, if your iPhone already has optical zoom built in, using our lens in conjunction with it allows you to get up to 4 times optical zoom, again maintaining sharpness and image quality while punching in even further. However, if you've tried to take advantage of this 4 times optical zoom while using the iPhone's native camera app, then you may have run into an issue that I'm just going to call the blackout. Now the blackout, again, is something that only occurs when you're using the iPhone's native camera app with any lens attachment. Now this happens because iPhone doesn't treat all of its different lenses as individual. It kind of blends them all together in the software, which has the consequence of causing that blackout when you're trying to use separate lens attachments on the iPhone. But fear not, your phone isn't broken and neither are the lenses. It's just the way that iPhone treats the cameras in its native app. Now I recommend downloading a third-party app because this will give you a workaround to still be able to take advantage of that nice 4 times zoom. Now one of the apps I recommend is ProCam 7. With this app, then you can individually choose the lenses that you want to use, which combats the issue that you might have with the native camera app in the iPhone. In addition, it also has all these other tools that allow you to manually tweak pretty much everything about your image, just like you would on like a DSLR or mirrorless camera. Another great app that also allows you to do pretty much the same thing is Lightroom. Again, it allows you to easily switch between which lens you want to use and offers greater flexibility and manually adjusting your settings like your ISO, your shutter speed, so on and so forth. Now both of those are geared more towards photography, but if filmmaking is your thing, then I recommend downloading Filmic Pro. It offers all the same benefits, but it's specifically tailored for video. And that's it. I mean, it's a pretty simple, easy issue to solve. I hope this was helpful and informative. If you have any questions, drop a comment. And in the description, I'll be linking all the apps that I mentioned, along with all the iPhone camera models that may experience this blackout issue. As always, thanks for watching and happy shooting. Peace.